Why are more and more people now focused on green methanol certification? Because international certification is crucial for obtaining a green premium. Let's discuss the certification standards for green methanol, although it can be complex. It's recommended to save and bookmark this information.
Our country has no clear
green methanol standards, so the domestic definition of green methanol is unclear. However, for international trade, adherence to consensus-reaching standards is necessary.
in the international market.
Globally recognized certification standards for green methanol are International Sustainable Development and Carbon Certification, known as ISCC. The basis for ISCC certification of renewable methanol is the EU RED II. What kind of methanol can be considered as green methanol according to ISCC certification?
First of all,
It has clear requirements for carbon emissions. The EU RED requires that the life cycle carbon emissions of green methanol fuel produced by green
green hydrogen,
process should be lower than
28.2
grams per megajoule. CO2 emissions per kilo of green methanol, 0.56
kilogram,
based on low caloric. There are clear requirements for
green hydrogen,
green carbon sources. Firstly,
green hydrogen,
must be pure,
green hydrogen,
either 100% renewable energy hydrogen production or hydrogen production from grid electricity with a
green hydrogen,
to electricity ratio of over 90%. Secondly, the carbon source can be from biomass, air, or industrial emissions.
It should be particularly noted
That methanol from CO2 obtained from industrial supply can be temporarily considered as green methanol during the EU transition. Also, to meet carbon emissions not exceeding
28.2,
mj,
which
is very difficult to achieve. And pay attention, this is for transitional period within EU. If it's outside EU, like green methanol invested in our country and exported to EU, carbon source can only be renewable CO2 supplied by industrial sector. This is not allowed. Overall, it's still high to meet international certification standards for green methanol.
moreover,
To get final certification results, consider raw material selection, process route selection, and energy structure arrangement in advance. Certifying product post-release may be too late. Result may not meet standards.
for more,
Or service needs Intel certification of green methanol. Click on profile picture. Leave private message to customer service. In next issue, we'll continue discussing market demand for green methanol.
follow Zhenyi.
Let's seize development opportunities of green energy.
Goodbye.